Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make sweet vanilla toasted coconut flakes. Oh my goodness, they are so sweet, crunchy, and you can't get enough of it. Now before we begin, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe with your notification bells on so you don't miss any of my videos. So here I have the coconut I'm going to be using for this recipe. It's actually one medium-sized coconut that I've cut into pieces. I'll start by finely grating my coconut with a grater, and trust me guys, this was no small task. But I wanted to use fresh coconut for this recipe. But you're free to use store-bought shredded coconut to make things easier for you. Now this is how your coconut is going to look once you're done grating, and my coconut actually yielded 3 cups of shredded coconut, but for this recipe I'm going to be using just 2 cups. So this pan is on medium heat. I'm going to be pouring 1/3 cup of sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of water. I'm adding water just to help melt the sugar because our aim is just to melt the sugar and not to caramelize it. I'm just going to keep stirring until my sugar has completely melted. So if you're enjoying what you're watching, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. So I added some more water, about 2 tablespoons of water, considering the amount of shredded coconut I'm going to be using. Next, I'm going to be adding my shredded coconut, then I'm going to stir to combine. So if you're using store-bought coconut shreds for this recipe, make sure to buy the unsweetened coconut flakes so that this doesn't end up getting too sweet. Next, I'm going to be adding 1.5 tablespoons orange juice, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, and some salt. So this is going to be very sweet, so you want to balance that sweetness with some salt. You're going to keep stirring to ensure your coconut absorbs all the liquid and is completely coated, and your coconut flakes start to toast. Now sugar burns very quickly, so you need to be by that pan, continuously stirring, and make sure it's on medium heat. Now that they've started browning, you can turn off the heat at this point. It's totally fine, but I wanted mine to crisp up really well. It depends on how you like it. Oh my goodness, I can't wait for this. Now once it starts getting brown, it starts to burn really quickly, so you want to make sure you're swift with your stirring and you're right by that pan until it's ready. It has turned into a beautiful golden brown color. It's so crispy, and it's going to get even crispier once it cools down. Now this is so good. You can eat them as a snack on their own. They also make a fantastic cake decoration or as a topping for your yogurt. You can sprinkle them over your oatmeal, cereal, or smoothie. You can also use them to make your own granola or add them to your baking recipes. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe with your notification bells on, and also give the video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.